What is the base tax year in a commercial lease? Base tax year applies where a tenant is responsible for its proportionate share of real estate taxes paid by the landlord in excess of the taxes paid by the landlord during such base tax year. It's for the period of time in which the tenant's future tax payment obligations are based upon. The base tax year is typically, but certainly not always, the first 12 months of a lease term. It can be based on a calendar year or a fiscal year, dependent on such factors as when the lease term is expected to commence, how and when the applicable municipalities assess property owners for real estate taxes, and the respective negotiating leverage each party may have in the deal. The proportionate share of real estate taxes may be based upon the percentage of the leased space relative to the size of the building. However, this is not always the case. In particular, where the leased space is in a mixed-use building, landlords typically argue that the tenant's proportionate share should be higher because the commercial use is taxed by most municipalities at a higher rate than the residential use is. Please visit Karl Dowden Law for additional information. The content provided is for general information purposes only and should not be construed to be legal advice. Further, said information may be outdated and may only apply to certain markets. This is attorney advertising. Prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome.